Prepend a level to a Pandas multi-index. I have a data frame with a multi-index created after some grouping. How do I prepend a level to the multi-index so that I turn it into something like
a nice way to do this in one line using pandas.concat. An even shorter way. This can be generalized to many data frames, see the docs.
You can first add it as a normal column and then append it to the current index, so, and change the order if needed with, which results in edit. Even shorter solution saves the reordering of levels. Or alternatively, use axis equals 1 for columns.
I think this is a more general solution. Some advantages over the other answers. The new level can be added at any location, not just the top. It is purely a manipulation on the index and doesn't require manipulating the data, like the concatenation trick. It doesn't require adding a column as an intermediate step, which can break multi-level column indexes.
I made a little function out of Xroger's answer, which IMHO is the best solution since it works purely on an index, independent of any data frame or series. There is one fix I added: the to_frame method will invent new names for index levels that don't have one. As such, the new index will have names that don't exist in the old index. I added some code to revert this name change. Below is the code. I've used it myself for a while and it seems to work fine. If you find any issues or edge cases, I'd be much obliged to adjust my answer. It passed the following unitist code.
Another answer using from_tuples. This generalizes this previous answer. I like this approach because it only modifies the index, no unnecessary copy action of the body. It works for both axes, row and column indices. It still can be written as a one-liner. Wrapping the above in a function makes it easier to switch between row and column indexes and between single-level and multi-level indexes. Finally, the above can be further generalized by inserting the key at any index level.
support the channel, please consider subscribing.